carrot punch with oats. So we have here some boiled pumpkin and carrot. So we already boiled it, guys, look at it, and it is soft. So you can boil it with some cinnamon leaf to extract that nice flavor from the cinnamon leaf into the pumpkin and the carrot. Look at it, guys, very soft. So you want to ensure that you boil until they are soft. What we're going to do next is, so you want to ensure that you boil until they're soft. So right over here we have the ingredients for the recipe. So we have here some almond milk, unsweetened vanilla almond milk. We have here some suppogen. We have here 1 cup of Fosca oats. We have nutmeg, salt, cinnamon powder, and vanilla. So to the blender we're going to add the pumpkin and the carrot. So this is that we are using a pound of pumpkin and 2 small carrots. So you want to just get everything in. Guys, so you see this sponge that we're making, this I go full now. After I drink this, I don't want nothing else feed. Now one here, power punch. You can have this for your breakfast in the morning. You can carry it to work for lunch. Or if you're at home and you don't feel like eating anything like any solid food, you can go ahead and whip up yourself some pumpkin and carrot and put in a little oats in there. Then you're going to add some of the water. Okay, so to the blender we're going to add some suppogen, going to add some almond milk, we're going to add the cup of oats, we're going to grate our nutmeg, add a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, quarter teaspoon of salt to taste so the belly don't run if you don't have problem with milky products. And we're gonna add some vanilla. After combining everything, we're going to give it a blend. Guess what, guys, I have here a ripe plantain that I'm going to put into the blender and blend it. Plantain, alright guys, so we have here our delicious and pumpkin punch with oats. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. And comment in the comment section and let us see which recipe you'd like us to try.